Dear traders, we continue now with the setup for the system. So in order to show you how exactly we execute the trades and what exactly we do, I will show you one example now with the previous counter trend line that we had, and it was from this top over here. Okay, make sure it is exactly on the top, and I'm going down to H1 when I'm executing the trades and placing the buy stops. So one more time, when you're on the H1, make sure you have placed exactly the counter trend line. So you need to go back a little bit in time and start. You can see what is the difference, because on a daily you cannot put it precisely. And when you go to H1, make sure you do it precisely. And this was the recent top that I will be using over here. Okay, let's see which one is higher. So the high of the negative bar is 4674, and this one is with 4674.98. Okay, so 78.98, very close. I need to put it on the higher one. So this was my recent high, and I will show you what was the execution of this trade exactly. So at this moment I have the important levels. I don't have any important level here, and what I have is the price getting close to my counter trend line. So here is the entry. Every day I'm placing a buy stop above the counter trend line, because I don't know at which moment this volatility will come. Okay, so when I see the price getting close to the counter trend line, I put a buy stop, and with the time I just move it lower, but keeping it above the counter trend line. My entry was 4010. Let me put it exactly, and I will put it actually with the green color, so you will know that this is my buy stop at this moment. So right here, I believe it was nearly on these bars right here, I have placed my buy stop. I have dragged it lower to 4010, and simply with this buy stop I have placed my take profit at the level of 4220. So it's right over here. I will put it exactly as a number so you will know exactly where is it. This is the simple system, guys. When the price is getting close to your counter trend line and there is no any important support or resistance level over there, every day I am placing a buy stop, and I'm actually dragging it lower until the moment the volatility comes, because I don't know when this will happen and I cannot stay in front of the screen to wait for it. Most probably I will miss it. That's why I'm using the buy stop. And for the new traders, what is a buy stop, guys? I will show it very quickly. When you click right button on the trading, there is a new order. So this is the type of the order. It could be a market execution, it could be a pending order. Market execution is if you want to enter in the market at the moment, and pending order is if you want to place a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. Simply in this system we're going to buy stop. This actually means that you need to place a higher price than the current one. So at least I need to enter here 4200. You select the volume, stop loss without use in this system, and take profit we have at $210 higher, so it would be $4,410. So for example, if I choose to place it above 4,470, okay, above my counter trend line currently and above my important resistance level, I will place my take profit at the level of 4,680. $210 higher. Probably you are wondering why there is no stop loss. What would have happened if I've entered here and the price will go negative? And this is the thing that I will show you in the next lecture, guys. Next lecture I will change your trading. In next lecture you will see a formula mathematically proved that you don't need to use a stop loss, but you will use only a take profit. and I will prove it to you with a formula, with pure mathematical calculations, that you will end up always on the profit, or worst case scenario, you will end up on break even. This next lecture, guys, will change your trading forever. And in the next lecture, guys, I will show you something that will totally change your trading, totally will change your thinking about the markets, and you will understand how actually the big institutions and the big players are trading without the stop loss, and how they end up always on profit, or worst case scenario, again I repeat, break even. This means that you will be either on zero, either on small profit, or you will be at $200 of profit of one lot. And of course, if you're trading with zero point 0.1, this would be $20. So it depends on your capital. And if you're trading, of course, with 10 lots, then you should be ending with $2,000 of profit. Okay, guys, I will continue with the next lecture because it's a life changer. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers. Bye.